Igbo Mamano, my name is Mazi Madabuchi Okabu. I am the Language and Cultural Preservation Officer at the Ahana Initiative. In fulfillment of the promise made during our launch, we are bringing to you the Igbo Craft Series. I am your Onyenkuzi. In the course of this series, I am going to be introducing more teachers alongside with me. Whether you are a beginner or well experienced in Igbo language, this program is definitely for you. If you stick with me for a period of 3 months, I promise you are going to be proficient in Igbo language. Kindly tag your family, friends, and those who may be interested in learning Igbo language for them to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the class.